Hello everyone, hope everything is fine with you today. I am Zahra. We are in Moodle MM14 and here I want to show you how I can register an external blog to the Moodle course. First of all, I should go to the menu below my profile, go to preferences and click on user to go to the user preferences lists and categories. Good. Here you see the category of blogs in which I've got blog preferences. It shows the number of entries I want to have in any blog page. External blog, that is the list of my external blog. That, as you see, there is no external blog here. And also it has a link to the register an external blog. But let's see, yes, it was the link directly to this part that provides us with places for adding some information about our blog. Okay, first of all, I should add the URL, that is the RSS feed URL of that blog. The RSS feed shows us how many new entries and new comments have been added to our blog, so that we do not need to each time go to the blog and go search it for a long time to find the new entries. We can see the number and go directly to the messages. So I should add first of all the URL. Here is the Edu blog I have already added. I used to use it a few years ago. First of all, I copy and then paste the URL. Then after the final slash, I just type feed in order to receive the RSS feed of it. The name and the description are not required fields, but let's just add something. The name of the blog was Virtual ELT, but the name of the course I ran was Interactive ELT. Okay, let's paste this one as well. And if we want to go to the description, to add some description, again, this part is optional. I just have had something here. Let me just copy this description. Good. And also we can filter some tags and also add some tags. Let's just add a few tags. Okay, and also my own name. Okay, this must be enough. Let's save changes and see what we have. Good. Now, as you see, I've got this blog here in my list of external blogs. I can again go back to that page and edit it, or I can delete it completely. I can also register an external blog from this part. So now let's excuse me, let's go back to see how we can view the external blogs in the main page. There's a blog here. It might be in any place in your courses, in any other courses, but in this course we can find this blog menu here in this blog on the right and the top of the page. Sorry, at the bottom of the page. Well, there are some points here. View all entries for this course, view my entries about this course, add an entry about this course. I can add one entry, blog entries, add a new entry, blog RSS feed, and view all entries. Okay, let's just take a look at view all entries. Blog entries about Moodle MM14. Okay, and then the next one says view my entries about this course. No entries so far. Add an entry about this course. Okay, I can add here a new entry. And then all the blog entries. Okay, there are some blog entries, my external blog, introducing OU blog, other blogs. These are related to the previous courses in 2018 in other courses, but this shows other blog entries I have already had. Okay, let's go back and add a new entry again. We tried it, and blog RSS feed. These are the blog RSS feed that I cannot make much head and tails of it. It is supposed to show how many new entries have been added. Okay, view all entries. These are the list of all entries. I'm not gonna go into all details about it. These are not related to me. Well, let's go back to the main page of our course, and as you realize, this is how I registered into an external blog, and how we can use the blog menu in order to see different blog entries. Thank you so much for your attention, and have a nice time.